This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced Shopify seller, and today I'm going to show you how to use Flexport to send in multiple items in a single box to a Flexport fulfillment center. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's get started. We're in the Flexport console, and you want to be in the inbounds area. Select shipping plans, and then you'll see a list of previous shipping plans. But what we want is to create inbound by pressing the blue button. So I am actually shipping domestically. We manufacture domestically in the United States. So I'm going to select that. And then you can select from Save Addresses. Once you have the address input, then you go to Next. So at this point, it's giving you a couple different options. So we want multi-channel fulfillment by Flexport. It says, all direct-to-consumer and wholesale channels like Shopify, Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Okay, so we'll take that. Click Next. And here we want the Flexport DTC fulfillment network. Reserved storage is for longer term storage, and I'm not doing that right now. Click Next. So these are, the choice here is you can either have a box of mixed items or you can have boxes of individual items. So at the very beginning of this video, I said we're sending in two separate SKUs in a single box. So we're going to choose this one, and then we're going to add the products. So this one is, let's see if I can find it. Basically, using search to find them. This is one of them. I'm sending in 10 units of this. And then I'm going to add another product. And that is called Sampler. There it is right there. Let's get rid of these boxes. They're in the way. Okay, Big Chart Sampler. And I'm sending in 9 items. Yeah. It's interesting that they're saying this product already has over 3 months of supply and e-com fulfillment. The problem with this particular message is it's right before the holidays, so there's going to be a surge of sales. And then also I've had, this makes it look like there's not much going on, but there actually is. So I'm going to click Next. And by the way, the reason why they're saying that is because Flexport wants to warn me that if it's sitting in the warehouse for too long, I'll be subject to other fees. I don't think that's going to be a problem. Flexport prompts you to add other services. I think these are great services. I don't particularly need them, so I'm just going to click Skip. I don't need prep. And then you have two options here. One is that you can break down. You can basically forget the single box going to Flexport. You can break it down into multiple boxes that go directly to different Flexport warehouses. That's a direct plan. It's very quick, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just use the forwarding plan. It's cheaper. It makes more sense for me. Okay. So choose your shipping method. It already selected it for me. Small parcel delivery. Flexport partner. So this will likely be UPS. I think once or twice it's been FedEx. And then here is where you add the weights. So it's showing 1 SKU per box, but I want multiple SKUs per box. So everything is in the same box. And let's get the weights. Okay, so just measured the box. So the box weight is 12 pounds. Box dimensions 16 by 11 by 8. Not a big box. Okay. So 2 products boxed, 12 pounds total. That's correct. And then I'm going to confirm and estimate cost. Whoops. I forgot to do this. Okay, so here I have to say that there's 10 units in this box, and here I have to say there's 9 units in this box. Okay. Right. Box weight 12, total units is 19. All right, save, confirm, and estimate cost. Okay, it's showing me the cost. It's actually quite reasonable. They're giving me a discount on the forwarding fee, $6.93. That's great. I'm going to click confirm. Confirm the payment method. And then at this point, I can download the sheets. It's a packing slip as well as the labels that will go on the outside. It also includes instructions of how to label the box, which you can follow. But basically, at this point, I'm done, and I'm ready to ship this box out. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.